The legendary Honda NSX, also known as the Acura NSX in the United States, has always held a revered spot in the Supercar Hall of Fame. Developed with input from the late Ayrton Senna, the NSX from the 1990s was a forward-thinking, precision-crafted machine that balanced Japanese reliability with exotic design and mid-engine handling. And now, it's back in the spotlight. Not with a factory refresh, but through a bold aftermarket reinvention. Enter Autotique, a relatively new tuning outfit from Australia, making waves in the car community with their radical reinterpretation of the original NSX. At the recent Session AU show in Sydney, the company unveiled two distinct body kits designed for the classic NSX, the aggressive widebody and the more subtle OEM Plus. Both options breathe modern supercar flair into a beloved 1990s icon without compromising its identity. Let's start with the more eye-catching of the two, the NSX widebody. This design began as a sketch from Piston Zero, a freelance automotive designer based in Norway. The project was then physically brought to life by Mosey, a Thai designer and builder who crafted the prototype. Autotique later refined the concept into a limited production kit now ready to transform NSXs around the world. The changes are dramatic. Nearly every exterior panel has been replaced, excluding only a few factory staples like the pop-up headlights and the greenhouse. Up front, the car wears a menacing bumper with larger intakes, thin LED daytime running lights, and a commanding front splitter. Along the sides, wide fender flares, new side skirts, and ultra-low-profile tires on aftermarket wheels enhance the car's presence. Around back, the widebody kit replaces the iconic full-width taillight with a custom LED setup wrapped in a smoked finish. A redesigned bumper and a massive rear diffuser dominate the lower portion, while a color-matched fixed wing adds racing aggression. The only deviations from the original rendering are minor, like missing canards and vented hood detailing, but the finished result stays impressively close to the digital concept. For enthusiasts who want a more restrained update, Autotique also offers the NSX OEM Plus kit. This version features a revised front bumper, mildly raised hood, and a clean rear bumper extensions. It delivers a cleaner, more OEM-like evolution that still brings the NSX into modern design territory without overpowering its original lines. Notably, these kits are purely cosmetic. Autotique hasn't altered the mechanical heart of the NSX. The beloved 3-liter naturally aspirated V6 with VTEC remains untouched. That means you're still getting 270 horsepower and 210 pound-feet of torque, more than enough for most, though die-hard performance junkies may seek engine upgrades elsewhere. Autotique is preparing to open pre-order soon, but pricing details are still under wraps. The real question is whether NSX owners, who now see their cars climbing rapidly in collective value, will feel confident enough to modify them so drastically. For some purists, touching an original NSX is sacrilege, but for others, this could be the perfect fusion of retro beauty and modern aggression. Ultimately, what Autotique has created is a visual love letter to the NSX, honoring its motorsport heritage while reimagining it for a new generation of car culture. Whether you go full widebody or play it cool with OEM Plus, one thing is clear: the NSX is far from a relic of the past. It's still making hearts race, and now turning even more heads.